Welcome, my name's Gerard. I'm the co-founder of Denota, and in this video I just want to demonstrate how you can generate your first dental patient notes inside the Denota platform. So the first thing we need to do is create a day list. This is where we're going to store our list of appointments, and we can also keep track of our summary earnings and some useful things like that. So no appointments yet. Let's just create an appointment. And to do so, all I need to do is select a scheduled time for my appointment, let's say 9 o'clock. You'll either be writing these notes after you've already completed your treatment, or you might be planning this ahead of time. If you don't know the amount already, that's fine. But if you're doing this after you've already filled your treatment, then you're probably going to know how much you'll be charging. Let's just say this is $250, and we can select from our list of Denota's templates for the procedure or treatment that we want to use. So in this case, I'm going to be using the restoration composite template. I'm going to click add appointment. So when we do that, you can see that the summary has updated, but if I want to view and start working on my notes, all I need to do is click on the appointment or head over to this appointment tab and start working on this restoration composite note. So this is where Denota is a little bit different to other platforms. Instead of having a click through interface to select each individual item, instead, when you select a template, Denota is just going to prompt you with a list of information or prompts that it would like to know about what you did during the procedure so that it can write your notes for you. So in this case, we have a list of 6 inputs that we need to fill out. After we're done, we're just going to hit generate and the notes will be written for us. So in this case, let's say that I was working on LR6 was the tooth ID, the surface, let's just do DO, reason, caries. Again, while I'm typing, I just can use shorthand. If I make any spelling mistakes, it's really not a big deal because Denota is going to clean it all up for me. Anesthetic amount, 2.2 milliliters, and let's say that a rubber dam was used. Hit generate, and in the background, Denota is going to be applying some logic based on the inputs that I've given. It's going to apply it to a nicely written template, and the result is ready for us here. So you can see that despite using shorthand like DO, it understands that this procedure was on distal occlusal. The reason for restoration is caries. And as you read through these notes, you'll notice that there are some specific pieces of information that only apply to this particular procedure with these details. You'll also notice that the local anesthetic is going to be, it's pulling from some information that I've saved in my profile about just my most commonly used anesthetic when I'm working on lower right 6 and similar teeth. If there's anything in the notes that you don't want to include, feel free to click in and delete or add as needed. And once you're ready, just hit this copy to clipboard button. All of the notes inside here will be copied to your clipboard, and all you need to do is click paste in your patient management software. So this note is ready to go. We can head out of here. And if I actually performed another treatment on the same patient during the same appointment, I can add another note within the same appointment. So let's create a new note. Let's say that I performed a hygiene treatment. Again, Denota is going to suggest some prompts for us to help us write the notes. Fill these out. Let's say complaints were generalized staining, front teeth, smoking. Risk factors, we can also say smoking. Oral hygiene, routine, let's just say 2 eggs daily. And we can do something like ETB for electric toothbrush. Airflow, yes, and TP color, red. Hopefully you can see we just need to use simple shorthand. It's a very quick process. Just type some shorthand notes as we go. And there you go. Our notes have already been written for us. Since smoking was mentioned, you'll notice that Denota has included in the discussion section a discussion on the risks for periodontal disease related to smoking. You'll also see that some of our shorthand has been picked up, so 2x daily, oral hygiene routine, patient reports brushing twice daily using an electric toothbrush, written out much more nicely than our shorthand notes. So if we want to keep adding appointments, we can just continue adding to our list as the day progresses. As we add more details, our daily summary is going to update, and we'll also be able to keep track of and go back into any notes that we've already created throughout the day. So we're hoping that Denota can help you speed up your patient notes writing process, and we're looking forward to adding a whole bunch of new features in future. Thanks for watching.